Caribbean Airlines Limited has cancelled 4 regional flights and will overhaul its Barbados hub starting early 2026 as the carrier doubles down on trimming underperforming routes and improving network efficiency. In a statement issued yesterday, the airline said that from January 10 next year, it will discontinue service to Tortola in the British Virgin Islands and San Juan, Puerto Rico, after, quote, comprehensive evaluations of route performance and resource deployment, end quote. Last month, following a separate performance review, CAL confirmed the end of its Fort Lauderdale, Montego Bay and Fort Lauderdale Kingston services after poor passenger demand. That cut followed an earlier November announcement that the Jamaica, Florida route will be suspended under the airline's ongoing optimization program.